All right, let's talk about e-commerce platform migration. Moving your store to a new platform sounds straightforward, but honestly, it's one of the riskiest things you can do to a live business. The parts that break are rarely the ones you planned for. Here's the thing most teams get wrong: they underestimate scope, not effort. Marketplace feeds go silent after launch. Order history disappears when customers log in. Tracking scripts stop firing and distort your attribution data for months. Migrations that fail almost always share the same pattern. Timelines get compressed, the QA phase gets cut short, and the checklist never gets finished. So the goal is not to move fast. The goal is to move without breaking what's already working. Phase one is platform selection, and it goes deeper than feature comparisons. You need to evaluate what survives the transition, how open the new platform's API is, and whether your custom functionality can actually be rebuilt on the other side. Before you import a single product, your store needs to be configured. Tax rules, shipping logic, API credentials. Then comes the product catalog, custom attributes, categories, relational data, and marketplace feed connections. Getting this order wrong costs you weeks. The storefront phase is where teams lose the most time. Navigation, metadata, tracking scripts, and transactional emails all need to be rebuilt and verified. Checkout is not just a form. It's customer accounts, order history, and policy pages, all tested end to end. Every integration you have today needs to be treated as its own work stream. ERPs, CRMs, fulfillment tools, reviews platforms, because when you reconnect them all at once under deadline pressure, that's exactly when things break silently. Phase 7 is QA, and this is the one that gets compressed when timelines slip. Load testing, mobile checkout, redirect validation, and rollback procedures all have to be confirmed before you flip the switch, not after. The last phase is often skipped entirely. Your team needs training on the new platform. Your customers need a heads up. And your 301 redirect map needs to be complete so you don't lose the SEO equity you've spent years building. Migrations done right protect your revenue, your SEO, and your customer trust. Optimum 7 has run hundreds of these, and we've built the process that makes sure nothing gets left behind. Your next platform should be an upgrade, not a setback.